Hi, are you currently working on a project, working on a car, working on a diesel? You're doing something you're not familiar with, you're doing it at home, you need some help, you need some advice, you need someone to help you find that hard to find torque spec or that part number that you just can't seem to find. Well, now I can officially help. So Charlie's Garage now has access to memberships. So when you go into Charlie's Garage, look for join, click on join. I've lowered the price to where it's not very much per month. That's going to give you direct access to a lot of different things. So it's going to allow you to have one-on-one chats with me, allow you to request specific videos that might help you do something. It's going to give you first access to many of the videos that we produce on our training sessions. And it's also going to allow you to basically be a part of the community that helps me deliver training to the masses when it comes to diesels, helping people do things on their own and accomplish things without paying a lot of money to do it. So I would appreciate it. Join the membership and that'll work out great. Other news on the channel front is that there's also the option to do a super sticker now. So this is going to help me. If you guys see a training video that you like and that it helped you, please take the time, spend the $2, buy a super sticker. Everybody that buys a super sticker likes or subscribes to something on the channel. That's going to help me be able to buy tools that I can preview, buy equipment, get access to other things to make videos about, and expand the ability that I have to make good quality videos for you guys to watch and learn. So I appreciate it. And if you also get a chance to check out the Shopify store, there's some really awesome mugs. Let me show you one. Right, so we have for the diesel enthusiasts out there, we have the Charlie's Garage Diesel Tech Join the Dark Side mug. All right, these are really cool. We also have the Charlie's Garage Mustang mug for my hot rod enthusiasts out there. And there's also really cool bumper stickers. Diesel Techs Have Bigger Tools bumper sticker. There's also the YouTube Certified Diesel Technician bumper stickers. So again, membership, stickers, and the Shopify. I'll put the link in the About section on this video for the Shopify store. So please, if you're a regular viewer of my videos, I would really appreciate your support with this. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to everything that I publish. It helps get the YouTube algorithm to push me out there and get more people to view this, and hopefully get more people interested in getting into the trade or just helping people who like to do this on their own on the side. So either way, I'm glad I'm here to support you. If you need anything, let me know. Thanks.